If you are writing financial reporting and preparing for the ICA or ACCA UK examination, then you must enroll in our course. Our pragmatic teaching strategy breaks down the course into its various aspects such as ethics, accounting standards, financial statement preparation, ratios, and the preparation of consolidated financial statement. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below this video and register for the course today. Remember that your enrollment also gives you access not just to the lecture videos, our live lectures, but also to our live question portal that enables you to go through the syllabus and work under time to prepare you to pass the examination. You also get access to ebooks, question kits that will enable you to prepare well and pass the examination. Enroll today and start studying under my mentorship as we assist you here to enable you to pass the examination and become successful.